What's a de novo hearing? If the judge ruled in your favor at a temporary order hearing, go ahead and celebrate. However, you might feel better after 3 working days, because that's a time limit that a party has to file a de novo request to the court to appeal the decision made by the associate judge. A de novo is when one party appeals the decision of an associate judge. They are appealing the decision of an associate judge to be heard by the district judge. De novo means in Latin, anew, or beginning again. And that's really what it means. You had a hearing, the judge heard the facts, they gave a ruling, and then the other side or you appealed that ruling. And then we start fresh, begin again in front of the district judge. In family law, for a divorce case or a child custody case, the normal procedure is to have a temporary order hearing in front of an associate judge, and then to have a final hearing in front of a district judge. If one party gets a ruling by an associate judge, they have the option that within 3 working days, they can file a request to have that hearing again in front of the district judge. That does not mean the district judge is automatically not going to rule just like the associate judge does, but they get a second bite at the apple. Per the Texas Family Code, any party after receiving a ruling from the associate judge has 3 working days to file that de novo. If that de novo is not filed in 3 working days, then you will live under those temporary orders until the final order. Now, there's some caveats to that you can file a motion to modify or something comes up, especially in these cases that last a year or 2. It is very likely you will have multiple temporary order hearings. However, if you receive a ruling from a judge, you have 3 days to appeal that ruling in the associate court to be heard by a new judge. It's very important to hire an attorney that knows how the judges normally rule. Because if you appeal a decision in the associate court and you go to the district court, sometimes the ruling can get worse. So be careful what you ask for. De novo hearings can be very frustrating if you won at temporary orders, but that doesn't mean you're going to lose when the district judge hears it. You just have to do it again. The most important thing is after you receive the ruling from the judge, go over it with your attorney. Go over all of the rendition so you know what the ruling is, and you can decide very quickly if you want to appeal that ruling or not. You only have 3 working days, so if you get the ruling, you need to act fast. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and visit us on our website, familytexas.com.